Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to create a PayPal account using a UK SIM. First, head over to the PayPal website or grab their app. You'll start by entering a valid email address and choosing a strong, unique password. It's super important to have your active UK mobile number handy, as this will be crucial for verifying your new account and keeping it secure throughout the process. Next up, you'll need to fill in your personal details. Make sure to use your full legal name, matching any official identification you might have. Then, accurately enter your current UK residential address. This information is vital for PayPal to verify your identity and comply with financial regulations, ensuring a smooth and secure experience for all users. Once your personal details are in, it's time to link a funding source. You can connect a UK bank account or a debit or credit card. PayPal will typically send a small, temporary transaction to verify that you own the account or card. This step is key, as it enables you to seamlessly send and receive money, making your PayPal account fully functional for all your transactions. Finally, complete any outstanding verification steps, like confirming your email address through a link sent to your inbox. You'll also verify your UK mobile number by entering a one-time code. With these steps done, your PayPal account is fully verified and ready to use. You can now confidently make online purchases, send money to friends, and manage your finances with ease.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.